So let's see the verb estar in the present indicative on its own, and let's do a little summary. Remember that all across the lessons in this course, I use post-its to give you top tips to remember some of the very key things about the Spanish language. In this case, on this slide, I would like to remind you that the words usted and ustedes in the written form, you may come across them with the abbreviation for each of them. So usted, you can see a capital U or a capital U with a D and a dot, or a capital V and a D and a dot. So that will be the abbreviation for usted, any of them, and the word ustedes, UDS or VDS. Obviously, in the spoken form, we just say usted and ustedes. So let's have a look at the table for the conjugation of the present indicative in Spanish, and I will pronounce it again for you, and feel free to follow up on that pronunciation. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Ella está. Usted está. Nosotros estamos. Nosotras estamos. Vosotros estáis. Vosotras estáis. Ellos están. Ellas están. Ustedes están.